everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chokor. Today's date is 27 October. The topic of this video is map in Java. First of all, let's see what is a collection framework. A collection is nothing but a single entity or object which is used to store multiple data. And this framework is a library of predefined classes and interfaces. So the collectively we can say that this collection framework is nothing but a set of predefined classes and interface which can store the multiple data. So this collection framework divided into two main parts. First part is java.util.collection and second part is java.util.map. The difference between collection and map is in collection the data we can store the data directly, whereas in map the data is stored in the key and value format. Now let's see the hierarchy of a map. The map interface contains various classes and interfaces. First class is the hash map class. The hash map class contains another subclass which is a linked hash map. Then second class is identity hash map class. Then third is interface, which is a sorted interface, and sorted interface contain one subclass which is a tree map. Then fourth is a dictionary, and fifth is a hash table. So the hash table, dictionary are the classes of this map interface. Now let's see the difference between the hash map, linked hash map, and tree map on the basis of various parameters. The first parameter is a index value. The all three of them does not store the value as per index, because what I already said that the map stores the value in the key and value, stores the data in key and value format. So the data type of this key and value will be anything, whether it can be same or it can be a different values. Then our next point is duplicate value. So all three of them does not store the duplicate value. So whether it is a key or a value, it will be a unique value. For example, if key value, if a key is 1 and its value is let's say city name Mumbai, then in second entry you try to you enter data as key 1 and again value as instead of Mumbai, Pune. So the in the next entry, because the key 1 is already present, it will replace the previous entry and the new entry will be 1 Pune. Then next parameter is our insertion order. So out of these three, only linked hash map maintains the insertion order. Then fourth parameter is a sorted or not. Out of these three, only tree map is the class which stores this entry in the ascending sorted format. Now let's see some useful method in this. The first method is map.put method. So this method is used to insert the entry inside a map. Then second is map.putAll. So this method is used to insert a specified map in a map. Then third is map.remove. So this method is used to delete the entry. Then fourth is map.clear. So map.clear method is used to empty a map, which means delete all the entries present inside the map. Then the next important method is set key set. So this method returns the set view of containing all the set values. Then next is then other than that is empty, equals, contains. All these methods are similar to the list and set methods. And that's it with the map in Java. Thank you.